Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to include Chat GPT in our Google spreadsheet. Okay, this is a very unique and very important topic. So for that, you have to use some function. GPT function. So just you have to type GPT. So it will give the list of GPT function which are available with this particular spreadsheet, right? But you cannot use this function directly. So before that, you have to install one Chrome extension. Okay. So how to install Chrome extension? Just go to extension, click on add-ons and click on get add-on. Okay, so here one new window will pop up, and in this particular window you have to search GPT for sheets. So just type GPT, it will give here GPT for sheets and documents. Just click here and select the first one, GPT Workspace, and just install it. Okay, so once installed, just open, set up your email account with this GPT, and then you can proceed. Now, I'll tell you how to use this GPT function. Okay, so for example, let's say type is equals to, as you want to use GPT function, so is equals to GPT. Then you have to type the prompt. Okay, so what will be the prompt now? Let's say I want list of 10 random animals. Hit enter. So it will execute our formula and it will return the list of 10 animals. Now, if you observe carefully, this particular list in one cell, right? And it is not always very useful. And what if we want this particular list in 10 different cells? So for that, you have to use GPT list function. Okay. So under this, what you can do, again, you can type list of 10 random animals. It's cool, right? Now see, all the 10 random animals will be listed in different cell like this. Okay, now let's say we want to create one table. So what we will do, I'll delete this one. Okay, so is equals to GPT. I'll use GPT table actually. GPT table, create a table of shopping list with quantity, calories, so I want to have a table of shopping list with quantity, cost, and calories. So let's see whether GPT can create a table for us or not. Okay, here they have not given in items. So what I'll do, before quantity, I'll add item, and it will change the list accordingly. See, now let's say we want to create one table for having difference between Excel and Google spreadsheet. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll type is equals to GPT underscore table. What will be our prompt? Our prompt will be difference between Excel and spreadsheet. With parameters. See, so this is the difference between spreadsheet and Excel with the parameter. Okay, so like this, we can increase our productivity. Okay, so there are multiple functions. I'll just tell you what functions are available. So just type is equals to GPT. It will show the list of all the functions which are available. So this is the simple GPT in which you have to just type a prompt, means you have to type the sentence, whatever you want. So for example, let's say we want definition of feedback. So type tell me the definition of feedback. Pretend. Okay. So it will return the definition of feedback. So feedback is a process of providing information. So complete definition has been returned. Okay. Now the next one is equals to GPT. So we have discussed this one. Then GPT edit means if you want to edit the cell, you can directly you have to just provide the cell reference number. So list we have already seen. Okay, then let's say you want to split two things. Okay, so what you have to do, basically you have to just type out GPT underscore split, and then just you have to tell by which character you want to split that particular cell, like this. Okay, so I hope you have liked this particular video. So thank you for joining with me in this video. Thank you.